Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and happy Tuesday to all of you. Today is September 18th of 2018, and teachers, just a reminder that morning announcements will now be on Canvas, so you'll have to look at the announcements via Canvas, which will be ready for you each day by the beginning of the morning. So when you get here in the morning, hopefully it'll be set. If there's any problems that I have, technical difficulties, I will send you an email to let you know if there's been a delay with those. But plan for them to be right in your Canvas area under daily announcements, daily in the morning. September birthdays. We do have quite a bit of them over the weekend. So we have Andrew Carlson, Nancy Campos, Chloe Shadle, and Aiden Washburn. Happy birthday to all of you guys. We do have lunch choices, of course we do. We have mac and cheese, walking taco, or chef salad with Cheez-Its, along with steamed corn, tomato wedges or crispy romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, or applesauce, and milk. And as we had talked about before, we're going to switch back to our pause for the next couple of weeks. I have some students that kind of go through some of those examples with us.
All right, boys and girls, for this week and next week, we're going to go back to our pause, and we're going to give examples about positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. So the girls and boys today are going to give examples of different things, actually, with pause, since we kind of went through each one of them individually. So we have a lot of great examples of ones today.
Work hard on your math. Show respect, because if you don't, you might hurt someone else's feelings. Don't talk when the teacher is talking.
Those are great examples, boys and girls, so I'm sure there's other examples you can give, but we're going to focus back on our pause for a couple weeks, and then we'll go back to role play again. So everyone have a great day, and make sure you practice your pause.
All right, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you are standing and put your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job today, boys and girls. So let's have a great day, guys. Let's make some great choices. Remember, we're working back on our pause of making sure we have a positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. So I know you can do it, so let's have a great day.